Okay, thank you, sir, for calling me. I am grateful that you all are present here, and sir has given me a golden opportunity to say something about water. That what is the importance of water in our lives. But without further delay, I would like to pay my introduction. Who I am? I am your friend Shahzad Alam. Today we have to discuss about water. That how much water is important for us. Really, water is everything for us. Without water, we can't sustain our life. That's why water is most important for everyone. So we should save water, we should understand the value of water, and we should think about water, and we should not waste water because water is as the nectar for us. So we have to care about water, and without water, how can we wash our clothes? Without water, how can we cook our food? Without water, how can we bath? So everywhere, water plays a great role for us. That's why we should understand the value of water. Without water, we will face a lot of problems. We will get skin disease also. Many more things we can get. That's why we should follow, we should understand about water. And without water, how can we live? That's why for our life, water is most important. Without water, we cannot stand in our lives. That's why water is everything for us. If we have no water, we will get a lot of problems. Suppose that if we go to Rajasthan and there we see a lot of persons, they think about water, they save water, and they give the importance of water a lot because there is a scarcity of water. But we have water, and God has given us water. We have no problem of water. Everywhere easily we get water. That's why we have to not waste water, and we have to save water. Otherwise, we'll get problem like the people of Rajasthan get problems. Similarly, we'll also get. That's why we should think about water. We should protect water, and we should go ahead in our lives. Otherwise, we will get a lot of problems. And our government, our teachers, everyone has been thinking about water. That save water and save our city. That's why we should think about water. If we don't think, who will think? Because we all are future of our country. Otherwise, we will get a lot of problems. That's why we should think about water. And this is my short view about water. Thank you for listening.
Teacher and my dear friends, a very good afternoon to all of you. Today we are gathering here for speaking something because we know that this language is how much important for a student because without this language we can't achieve our target. You know that means we can achieve, but this language makes your target easy. So we can achieve our target with the help of this language, and we in so much. Winter, we are sitting here. It's a very pleasure that means it's so that means we have eager to learn this language, and that's why we are sitting here. So without wasting my time, I would like to introduce myself. That who am I? My name is Preeti Kumari. I am also a student of this point. This is my short introduction among you. Today I got a topic that means water, and means we know that means how much water is important. It's being a human beings, it's our basic need. It means without water you can't do any type of work. It's every work, it's in our daily routine, the thing we are doing, everything depends on our water. If water is not needed, we can't do any type of work. As we wake up early in the morning, then we go for freshing. There water is also needed. After we take brush, there also without water you can't brush because with the help of water you can clean yourself, you can take bath. It's many things you can do with the help of water. So means as you can say that water is our life. With the help of water means at this time everyone is sitting because of water, because you are drinking water. And you know that we get means with the help of water you can get energetic. We suppose one day you will take fast, then you realize that means you can survive one day, and more than 2 days you can't survive your life. So water is very needed for our life, and you know that means here in Motihari we are not feeling that means we don't feel that means there is lack of water. But in except this country, except this place, means if you look somewhere else, then there means people know the how much water is important. As Rajasthan, as in Delhi, people buy water for drinking, for every work. Means they knows the importance of water, and you know that means we should drink clean water. So means if you being a students, we should not waste our water. As you know that means we are doing something, then we open our tap and water is wasting without any reason. So we should not do like this. We should save our water, because in ancient times people know the importance of water. When it rained, then people saved rainwater because of lots of work. With the help of that work, they are done their work. So, Miss Water is very needed. Thank you for listening. This is my word.
Hello friends, good evening to all of you. I am very thankful to sir, because sir has given me this opportunity for guide this side. So I am very thankful to sir. Really friends, water is too much important for us. On our earth also there is nothing but water. In our body there is nothing but water. We are totally dependent on water. So it's our responsibility that we should save water. Because except our state, except our country, if we go in Saudi Arabia, then there is lack of water, and they are facing so much problem, many problem because of water. So being an educated person, we should save water and we should care on it. So this is my short view. Thank you for listening.
You have to call the student for asking the question.
My honorable teacher and the signing students of English Point, a very good afternoon to all of you. As we are sitting in this special program and we are running this session, it's a very crucial moment for us, because we are the students of English Point, and here we are learning a special language. It means English, and we know very well how much this language is important for us. So, without wasting your more time, let me know why we are standing here. Here we are doing some activities, and in that activities we are talking about the importance of water, that how much water is important in our life. So, my dear friends, before some of the minutes, you have listened both the speakers, and they have spoken very well. And it's time to ask questions from them. So one by one, you have to ask your question from that side. So
From that side.
okay, from that side. So you will start, please.
So now it's turn to ask the question with Maharaji. So the student who wants to ask the question, please ask the question.
Go towards him.
As we know that every human water is very necessary, and we have a lot of water like sea, ocean, a lot of rivers are available, and a lot of sources are also available, and we use that water in washing, in bathing. So why we should save water?
Here you have asked a beautiful question. Many of the persons think like this.
Thank you. You have asked a beautiful question, okay, sit please. That here we have water, and we all think that we have water more than enough, but all water is not drinkable. So you have to think about water. We have salty water, we can't drink. If we think about ocean, we can't drink the water of ocean. So we have a lot of water, but we have to think about drinkable water. So if we think about drinkable water, we have in less amount. That's why we should save water, because we can't drink the water of ocean. A lot of we have water, but we have sufficient water, the water which we want, the water which our body wants. That's why we have to save water in anyhow.
Okay. Do you agree or not?
One question, a lot of sources, like a lot of machines are available that can purify also water also. So what's your thought about that?
Yeah, of course, we have nothing but machines which can purify our water. Those can purify our water, but we have to think about our water. If we purify the pure water, if we purify and we drink, that will be beneficial for us. And the water which is salty and we purify and we drink, that will be not best for us. So the water which is pure, we have to pure again and we have to drink. This will be better for us. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
As you have listened, Sajad Bhaiya, he has spoken very well. And now it's time to ask a question from this side. So let you ask question from them.
Thank you. My question is that what should we do for saving water so that people may survive their life easily?
Thank you for asking this question. And we know that there are many ways to saving our water, because we know that the person who has tank, they can save water in that source. So means you know that there are many ways, as means in ancient times people have no any type of source, but they are saving their water. As we know that means in any type of pot you can save. You know that there are lots of things are for things. There are lots of things are available for saving our water, and with the help of that water we can do our work easily. This is my view.
But I am not satisfied to your answer. I want to listen this question's answer to Sajad.
Here you have asked a beautiful question that here what should we do so that we may survive our life easily by water. It's your question.
Yes.
So here a student has also asked that we have a lot of water sources. So for surviving our lives, we have many work. As we have to wash our clothes, we have to wash our bikes, our cars. So there we can use any kind of water. But if we think about drinking, for that we want a drinkable water. So we have the water which is fresh, which our God has given us. Because our fresh water God has given us, that is in less amount. So about that water we have to think. If we want that, we have to wash our clothes. By another water also we can wash. So if we do like this, we will not get problems and we will survive our lives easily. Thank you.
Now from this side, who wants to ask the question?
Firstly, I want to a lot of thanks to give me golden opportunity. I want to ask a question with Sajad Bhaiya. How much pure water is available on this earth? How can we save pure water?
Thank you. You have asked a nice question. Here, if we think about percentage, we have approx 8% water. That one is pure. But if we think about another, those all water is completely impure. Means I have mentioned about salty water. We have some of the lakes also. There also we can get salty water. Those are not important for our health, but some of the machines we have invented, by those machines we purify and we drink also. If we think we will not get problems, and the water which is salty, there also we have to work, we have to bring machines, and there we have to purify and you have to use in our daily lives. So we have to think about this and we have to not waste our water. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
as we have listened the answer from Sajjad Bhaiya, he has mentioned in a good way, and we have known how can we save water and how can we live our life in a good way. So it's time to ask question from this side. So you please ask the question to her.
Thank you, Deepak Bhai, for giving me chance for asking a question. My question goes to Preeti Gupta. Do you realize that saving water is necessary? Because here on whole world, earth, only few % water is available. So you give some tips for saving water.
Thank you for asking this question. As we know that on our earth 70% water is available. And for saving water, it's not so that means we should waste. We should save water only for drinking water. Only 8% water is available for drinking. So we should save that water for drinking. As we know that with the help of any water we can clean our cloth. But for drinking our water we should save. As you know that means here there is in digital age there is a machine that we can purify water and we can drink also. So means with the help of that thing we can drink, and with the help of that thing we can save our water.
Thank you.
Now session is going to finish, but I will ask some of the comments with sitting students. So I want to ask with Budi Kumari. Do you think that this type of class is beneficial for us?
This class is very important because today we know what is the importance of water and how should save water. And we know on the earth less amount of water is available, and we should save water because water is our life. If water is available, that's why we are here. So we should save water because I look lots of people waste water. Then we should save water. We should extend them. Water is very important for our life. So we should save water, and really this type of class is very, very important. If we involve this type of environment, then definitely we can learn each and everything. As today we know about what is the importance of water. So similarly, this type of class is very, very important. If we involve, then definitely we can learn this language. So this is my.
So you put your view very well. Thank you.
Really, we are doing very well, and we are getting lots of ideas in this class. We have done a great work, and till now we are doing very well. Now I want to take some comments from this side. First, I want to say I am very happy after listening these all activities and looking these all activities. And we are very happy, and we are also doing very well. So from this side, I will take some of the comments because this session is going to finish. So before finishing this session, I will take some of the comments from this side, and after that we will finish this session. So from this side, Mr. Rahul Kumar, please you stand and you tell, is it essential for involving this type of class? Is it essential for involving this type of class?
First of all, while giving my comment, I want to say something about sir and you, and I want to thanks, millions thanks to my sir and also you. And really, brother, this type of class is very necessary for us. And I was listening a species of both, and I was looking to her, and she was using Jesus body postures, and sitting style is also good. So, brother, I am very happy. Only speaking is not everything. We have to win our audience, so we have to give everything as like body, confidence, eye contact, sitting style. So I was looking, Miss Miss Priti Gupta. So I am very excited from Miss Priti Gupta. So I want to thanks lots of Miss Priti Gupta.
Okay, thank you, Rahul ji. You have put your view very well. And now, please sit down. Now, I want to take some of the comments from this side again. So, Mr. Anil ji, you stand please. And you tell, can we learn this language with the help of this type of class?
Hello. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving this opportunity to say something on this type of class. I am totally amazed that when I entered in this class, I saw that both my seniors are managing well and they are providing such a good knowledge on water, like what are the type of source of water, how we can purify the water, like how much amount of percentage of water is pure for uses. So I am totally glad that, and now I am coming on your question, like you want to can we learn this language by using such an environment or by using such a conversation class. See, the conversation class is very important for all of us because we are here to learn this language, right? So for conversation class we can increase our self-confidence. Suppose that I am taking an example, like suppose that my younger sister is answering all the questions, like everyone is asking the question and they don't require that what type of question they are asking. So maybe she doesn't know the answer, but she is managing. So it gives us, it gives me the confidence. Like suppose that she can, if she can do, I can also do now. Because we all are here to learn this language, and she is if she can do well, we can also definitely can do well in future. So first thing, it gives us like confidence. The second thing I thought, like by such type of conversation class, we can increase our sentence power, word power. Suppose that they are doing conversation and using, like suppose that they are using 1,000 words. So it is not compulsory or it is not essential that everyone knows that 100 words. So we can filter the words, and by using the words, by using those words, we can create new sentences. So in that sense, we can increase our sentence power, and we can use that sentence to make our conversation good. So at last, I would like to say that yes, definitely we can learn this language very easily by using such type of conversation class.
Till now, we have been learning something, and we have got a lot of new ideas, new sentences from our seniors, and from the speeches of those students who have asked some of the questions from them. And when some of the students have put their comments in this session, from their comments also we have learned many more things. Really, this type of class is very important, and with the help of this type of class we can learn this language shortly. And we are totally habituated about this class because when we appear in this type of class, we learn a lot of things. There is no limit of learning. And we know this language is not limited. It is just like an ocean. If you enter in the ocean, you can't find the bank. Similarly, this language is also. So we have to care and we have to learn with the help of this type of activities. And definitely, my dear friends, we can learn this language easily by the help of this type of activities. Thank you.
You have got today a different role and played also. Tell something about today's experience, that after playing this type of role, how are you feeling in the class?
Sir, I'm feeling too good because first time I have got this opportunity for leading the group. So only because of you, now I am able to speak this language, and now I am able to handling the group. So I am very happy after this session, and really sir, this class is too much important for learning this language. With the help of this type of class, we can learn this language easily. This class is like a magic. If we involve in this type of class, then of course we can learn this language easily.
You tell something about your experience, that today you have got a new role, and that role you have played also just before some time. After playing this role, what are you feeling in yourself? Do you think that with the help of this type of means activity, everyone can learn this language. With the help of this environment, we all, the students who are sitting, can learn this language.
First of all, I want to thank you a lot for providing me this type of chance among all the students. And getting this type of chance is very important for learning this language. This type of activity enhance our confidence and learning power also. When I got this chance, that time I thought, today if I am getting a chance, I will try to give my 100% in my work. And before you, I have also performed my activity. Maybe I have done some of the mistakes, but with the help of this type of activity, I can also improve my learning skill, and you can also improve your learning skill. So I am very excited, sir, because after getting this type of chance among all the students, I have no words for explaining about this matter. I am also unable to explain how much I am happy at this time. I am very happy, and again I want to thank you for providing me this special chance. And we have done this work, and this work is building confidence inside me. And before some minutes you listen Anjali ji, she has also mentioned and she has also done her work. So it's very important to do this type of work for learning this language. So I am very happy.
Okay, today we have appeared in different type of class, which is very, very important. Of course, this activity which was done just before some time is very important for learners. After changing the year, every day I am saying for 2 that the class has been running. I am saying every day in your class that if we have turned towards 2025, means we have entered in new year, then something new should also happen by you. That's why you have to do something new in new year. Then it means by new year. Otherwise it doesn't mean by new year. Similar thing if you do in new year also, then it doesn't need to turn towards new year. That's why with the help of this type of activity, of course you can learn this language, because for learning this language, environment plays a pivotal role. And here we are trying to give different type of environment in the class every day. That's why appearance in the class is very, very compulsory. If you appear, then you can also get some of the roles. In those roles, you try to you try to play, and if you will play those roles, then of course you can better yourself, and in new year you can show yourself that I am doing something new. That's why just before sometimes Deepak said that I have done some mistakes also. No problem. Mistakes also teach us lots of things. So of course you are learners. The mistake will happen. It doesn't matter. You don't think about the mistake. You think that you are speaking or not. You do mistake, it will do. आप गलतियां करिए चलेगा. गलतियां ही तो सही करना सिखाता है. That's why try to do well. And if something will be mistaken, don't worry. Worry that you are mistaking or not. चिंता करिए कि गलती हो रही कि नहीं. गलती होगी तभी सही होगी. That's why you have to appear at any cost in the class. If you appear, you can learn. If you don't appear, you cannot learn. Because this is a language, and a language can be learned with the help of environment. With the help of environment. Nothing you have to do. You have not to remember anything to go your home. Neither you have to crave anything to go your home. No avatar will come over here. You are avatar yourselves. That's why you don't worry for avatar that some avatar will come from God's side, and after coming that avatar will give something and we start to speak. You are avatar yourself. So you do something yourself, and the avatar is what? You have to speak. You have to speak, right or wrong, it doesn't matter. Don't worry that you are going to speak and that will be wrong. Let it be wrong. It doesn't matter. Matter is that you are speaking or not. So try to appear every day in the class, because every day something new will happen. Every day something new will happen. So appear every day in the class. You don't waste your time to stay at your home. You don't waste your time. One day you have wasted the time. One day you have wasted the time. That day is the 1st January. That day also I was thinking for taking the class, but because of you all guys, I didn't take. But you don't do like that mistake. You mistake in speaking, it doesn't matter. So don't waste your time coming the class. Time is very precious. Value of the time. Time is valuable. If you value the time, then one day time will start to value. That's why give the importance of time, because time is very precious for everyone. The time which passes never comes. So don't let pass the time. So try to appear every day in the class, and in every activity, in every activity you appear. Of course you can learn and do well, and you will go from here to do well. This is my thought. Thank you for today.